Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Power of Art. Students are always worried how to decorate their school projects, and while diary writing, they want to make it interesting and beautiful. Here is a video for all to decorate the page even if you don't know how to paint. Just follow these easy steps, watch my full video, and make it yourself. You can use these ideas to decorate front page of your school project or to make a school magazine. Also, while writing a diary or journaling, you can use these simple and beautiful designs.
So I won't hold back. And you should know that what's never gone just have regrets. So I won't go back. Oh, would I got me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. And the moonshine back again. And the moonshine back again. When I drove down to Abyss, while I blame the world's neglect, then I shine right back again.
You can write stories, poems, articles, jokes, riddles, your goals, daily task bullets, daily diary entries, or journaling. It's on you how you want to use it.
Go back. Oh, would I got me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. Let me if I walk to the sea, baby, I never say, for I will fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me, for I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back. And you should know that what's never gone just have regrets. So I won't go back. Oh, would I got me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. And the moonshine back again. And the moonshine back again. When I drove down to Abyss, while I blame the world's neglect, then I shine right back again.
beautiful designs yourself, you can send me on my Instagram. Link is in description. Please share this video with your friends, family, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.